Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best cordless vacuum cleaners you can grab on AliExpress in 2025. Whether you're cleaning pet hair, hardwood floors, or carpets, these affordable and powerful options are sure to impress. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. RL8 Pro Cordless Vacuum Cleaner Wet and Dry Smart Cleaning. The RL8 Pro is a multi-surface cordless vacuum with wet and dry cleaning, smart floor washing, and self-drying technology. It has 14,000 pascals suction and is designed for hardwood, tile, or low-pile carpets. This one's perfect for homes that need more than just dry vacuuming. The self-drying function ensures hygiene, and it handles liquids or spills with ease. Its intelligent water flow control also prevents overwetting surfaces. Pros: wet plus dry cleaning, self-drying system, good for hardwood and tile, smart water control. Number 2. INSE Wireless Vacuum, great for daily cleaning. This INSE model features 20,000 pascals suction, a removable battery, large dustbin, and a lightweight design, making it ideal for daily household use. It's compact but powerful enough for regular cleaning. The battery can be charged separately, and its large bin reduces the need for frequent emptying. A great all-rounder for under $100. Pros: strong suction power, lightweight and easy to maneuver, removable battery, affordable. Number 3. 300W 30 kPa Cordless Vacuum, best battery life. This powerful stick vacuum delivers 300W of power, 30,000 pascals suction, a 4,000 mAh battery, LED display, and up to 60 minutes runtime. It's a beast in its class. It handles pet hair, carpets, and debris with ease, and the LED display shows real-time power and battery levels. The battery life is exceptional, making it ideal for larger homes. Pros: long battery runtime, 60 minutes. LED display, high suction power, quiet operation. Number 4. Tineco A11 Pet Cordless Vacuum, perfect for pet owners. The Tineco A11 Pet Edition is lightweight, cordless, and designed with powerful suction and long runtime, perfect for cleaning up pet fur, dander, and crumbs on all floor types. It's one of the most trusted brands in budget cordless vacuums. The A11 is especially efficient for pet homes, and its handheld mode is great for stairs or couches. It also comes with useful attachments. Pros: great for pet hair, long runtime, lightweight build, converts to handheld. Number 5. ABIR VC205 Smartest Cordless Vacuum. The ABIR VC205 features 27,000 pascals suction, a touchscreen, smart dust sensor, and auto speed control, adapting its suction based on surface type. If you love smart home tech, this is your vacuum. The touchscreen UI is responsive, and the smart sensor adjusts suction in real time. It's quiet, powerful, and looks premium for its price point. Pros: touchscreen interface, smart dust sensor, auto-adjusting power, sleek, modern design. So there you have it, our top 5 cordless vacuums on AliExpress in 2025. From wet-dry combos like the RL8 Pro to smart models like the ABIR VC205, there's something here for every home and budget. All the links are in the description below, so check them out and grab the one that suits your cleaning needs. And hey, if you found this roundup helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more budget tech reviews coming your way. Thanks for watching, and keep your home spotless.